Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. This is for your relationship, Aries, and this card is for your career situation, Aries. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energy. This is the card. I will leave it here, and one card from the fortune cookie deck. So this is the card. We will see what it is as we proceed into the reading. And Aries, many of you were asking for personal reading from me, guys. So right now I am not doing it, but my very good friend is doing a personal reading in favor. So if you are interested, you can contact her. I have shared her link in the description, guys. Aries. And if you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. Aries. So let's start with these cards. We have Seven of Swords, Star in reverse, and Queen of Cups. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are someone really caring and a very devoted person. So with the people you are close to, maybe in your personal life or in your work situation, you are very much concerned and you have a very friendly nature helping others, and you are a very kind and compassionate person, and people love to be with you because you help them and you have their well-being in your heart. So you are a very compassionate, kind soul. That may be the reason people simply love to be with you and they love your company. And today in your relationship, guys, Aries, maybe because of this kind attitude of yours, maybe this person you love, they are deeply attracted to you and they feel really happy to be here in this connection, be here with you. And maybe for some of you guys, for some of you, I see this person having a good relationship with you. But for some of you, this person is here to make use of you in some ways, maybe trying to make use of your skills and talents to benefit themselves or make use of you financially. That is the only reason they are here in this relationship with you. So that may be a rare case scenario, guys. For some of you, I can see that. And today, maybe you are, what to say, quite disturbed about something. You may act impulsively, react to what this person says. So you tend to be quite emotional today. So if you are in a bad mood or if you are in a, what to say, a lot of stress, you must try to avoid any arguments or quarrels, guys, because it may land you in some irreversible circumstance and you need to control your anger. So if it is your energy or your person's energy, so you need to go for that calm and composed mindset today. Try to be really calm, try to control yourself. And we picked one card for your relationship. Let's see what it is, guys. What is that card? We have Four of Pentacles. So maybe you being emotional and angry, maybe because this person may be trying to control you and they are too possessive. trying to dominate your decisions. Maybe they are giving you certain ideas and they want you to follow that diligently, but you cannot do that because you are someone really talented, skilled, and you want to do things your own way. And that may be the reason for things going in a negative way in this relationship. Their possessive nature may be the reason for this anger, or maybe you are resenting this relationship, or this may be their energy towards you guys or your energy towards them. So for your career situation, we picked one card, Aries, and it is 9 of Pentacles. So looks like things are going in a positive way in your work situation. Whatever plans you have, work related plans may prove to be successful, and things are taking shape in a good way for you in your career circumstance, Aries. So for your moon energies, we picked one card, and it is look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. So this card just means that in your circumstances, you are thinking too much of details, maybe feeling really disappointed or stressed over minor details, and that is what is troubling you, and you are going through the details, talking too much maybe, and not interested in action. So that again may reduce your work potential or make things difficult for you. Circumstances may not change by you talking or by you worrying about something. So now is the time for you to count your blessings, maybe even when things are not happening as you had hoped for, or you are not getting what you had wished for. Whatever be the circumstance, you must feel happy for what you have today. Try to keep an open mind, that is for your best of interest, guys. So that is going to help you, and maybe there may be some good changes coming your way, and maybe this circumstance may be your mistake, it may be your doing, guys, maybe the reason, maybe you are distracted, that would have been the reason for this present circumstance. So today you need to handle this circumstance in a better way. Be really attentive, try to do the right things, and you are going to find yourself in a better circumstance very soon, guys. And you need to be confident, have that faith and trust in yourself to win this day. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for your moon energies. So for your fortune cookie, we picked one card, and it says twists and turns. Carefully made plans could be thrown out of the window as major changes and interruptions surround you. Make sure you get lots of rest to cope with all the upheaval. So there are good changes coming in your life very soon, guys, and maybe your plans may not work, but instead of that, something much better may come towards you, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Aries, thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.